We will click on New SolidWorks document. There are three different options: Parts, Assembly, and Drawing. Just click on Parts, click OK, which will bring us to New SolidWorks interface. For sketching, we need to select planes, that is, front, top, and right. Right click on front plane, then click on Sketch. There are lots of sketching tools. We will go through each one of them. Right now, we are in sketch mode. Now, we will learn line command. Go to line command, click on drop down. Here, you can see two options, that is, line and center line. Left click and select line. This is a line command design tree. Line have several orientation, that is, horizontal line, vertical line, and angle. We will go through to each one of them later. Left click at origin and drag the mouse. You can see a yellow horizontal line sign. This means line is straight. Left click to stop the line. Draw a vertical line. You can again see a vertical line sign, which means line is straight. A dotted line will appear to show relation between all relative points. Complete the drawing and right click. Then click on select to exit from line command. After completing the sketch, we need to give the dimensions. Left click on Smart Dimension option. Now select the line, drag it, and left click to enter the desired dimension. Click OK. Again, give the dimension to this line. Right click. Now click on select to exit from command. Now you can see that this sketch is fully defined. Left click. Now drag the mouse to select whole sketch, then right click and select delete to delete the sketch. The next option is center line, which will be discussed in our upcoming lectures. Again, select line command and draw some random sketch. Right click, select to exit line command. Now left click on line and make this vertical. Left click and make this horizontal. Select Smart Dimension, give dimension of 45 mm and click OK. Click on this line, then this line to give an angle between them. Give 35-degree angle. Click OK. Right click and select. Select whole sketch and delete it. So this is our line command.